Hi YouTubers, it's Natalie and I'm back with a easy tutorial on 1+1. So we're going to jump right into it. I'll play it really quick. And it's really simple. So we are going to start with the capo on the first fret, and we're going to count down 3 frets from the capo. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to play our middle finger, or whatever finger is more comfortable for you, on the A string of the 3rd fret. And then we are going to pluck the A, D, G string. So A, D, G. And we're going to pluck that 4 times. Let me just adjust the camera just a little bit. So we are going to pluck that 4 times, and it's going to sound like this. Then we are going to pluck the D, G, and B string. So there is 4 times for each. So it's going to be. And then there is a walk down in one of the parts. I don't remember exactly where it is in the song, but there is a walk down. And for the walk down, you're going to play the A string on the 3rd fret and the A, D, and G string. So it's going to go like this. And then on to the 2nd fret of the A string. And then the 2nd fret of the D string. And then open. So it's going to be A, D, G, A, D, G, D, G, B, D, G, B.